going to show you two different types of tacos.
What we going to do?
So there's the tacos with flank steak and the tacos with chorizo. So the tacos on the flank steak are going to be more of if you're cutting into a chunk, you're just leaving little chunks of steak in there like you get at a restaurant or something like that. And the other one is we're going to take the chorizo and have it with the ground meat. We're going to just saute it similar like you would a ground beef or something like that. So you have kind of two different textures of tacos so you can see. Plus we're going to show you some very special ways to marinate the flank steak, and we're going to show you how to make a chipotle pepper with adobo sauce, sour cream. This is going to be really delicious.